a fascinating archipelago in the Philippines, welcomes all international singers with a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and an exciting choral tradition. Many of the island's numerous cultural and landscape monuments are listed on UNESCO's World Heritage List, impressively reflecting the region's cultural diversity. More than 300 years of Spanish colonial rule have left the Philippines with countless churches and monasteries. These historic sites are witnesses to the past and stages for the present. The Cathedral of Tagbilaran in Bohol's provincial capital and the restored Spanish church in Dawis offer a perfect setting for performances of sacred choral music. A river cruise on the Lobok River through the tropical jungle is an unforgettable natural experience, combined with the opportunity to witness traditional dances of the region. In Bohol there is a fantastic natural phenomenon. 1,268 limestone hills stretch over more than 50 square kilometers. The green grass of the hills turns brown during the dry season, earning them the name Chocolate Hills. Bohol is also home to the tiny Tarsiers.
The Philippines has had a rich and vibrant choral tradition that goes back many, many years. Singing and dancing are very much a part of our culture. In the upcoming festival, Sing and Joy Bohol, we are delighted to share our diverse culture and traditions to singers from all over the world.
A traditional highlight of Philippine culture are the parades with folklore groups, music, and colorful dances. Experience the vibrant culture of the Philippines. I'm Ping. Take care and see you in Bohol.